Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the latest software update in the iPhone 12. Yes friends, just today only I did do the unboxing of this iPhone 12 and I did order this iPhone 12 from the Flipkart Black Friday sale, and after doing the unboxing and complete setup I did get the notification saying that there's an update available which is iOS 15.1.1 and the update size is about close to 1.41 GB. And we can see the features what got included. iOS 15 1.1 improves the call drop performance on iPhone 12 and 13 models. So basically this update did come only for the iPhone 12 and 13 models. So right now I'm trying to install complete process. And right now I did start the stopwatch as well on the background. As you can clearly see friends, how much time it actually takes to install complete update 15.1.1 in this iPhone 12. So let's see how much more time. Again, I'll be back after some time just to check how the performance is going on regarding the updates in this device. As you can see friends, finally the download has been finished successfully in this device, in the iPhone 12 at this moment. On time you can see. And preparing the update. Now let me need to start the time as well again. When it says preparing the update, because download time can be different from one user to other users depending on the internet connection, but preparing update will be equal for all of the users as well. So what's going on? So this is my first time friends doing this kind of testing on the iPhone 12 basically, because I never used any kind of iPhone before. So even this kind of new how much time it actually takes, even I'm not aware of this. But right now the battery percentage is kind of pretty good, 45% solid. So it should not affect any kind of result. Let's see how much time more it's gonna take to update to the latest version. So right now the time is about close to getting 2 minutes of time, and still I think around maybe 60% of the update it's trying to finish. So right now as you can see friends, clearly it's been close to 8 minutes of time continuously I'm trying to do this kind of recording, and as you can see it did mention that preparing the update, and it's kind of final stage, maybe close to 80% 90% of the overall percentage. Right now it's completely done and downloaded, and I think we need 50% battery capacity to install. Let me need to charge it. So right now I did plug the charger. As you can see now it says install now, so let me need to click install now. And right now it's kind of verifying. 8 minutes it took to completely to prepare the update, and right now it's verifying after clicking install now. And now let's see how much more time the phone gonna take to verify update and to install complete process. And meanwhile I try to connect this cable to the device itself non-stop, powering it and doing this kind of update. And let's see friends how long this phone gonna take to completely finish this update. And right now it did switch off. And we are getting message, some small indication saying it's kind of loading in the bottom of the phone. You can clearly see friends, and there's no indication, nothing at all. There's no message. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of update in the iPhone device basically, so even I am not sure how much more time it's gonna take. So finally after 1 minute of time it did show the message of the lock. As you can see Apple logo, after 1 minute it did show, and now again it started to update, as you can clearly see. So definitely friends, updating an iPhone, I think it's gonna take a lot of time, downloading and preparing the update and then installing this update. It's pretty long process definitely. So again we'll be back once the percentage gets close to end of the percentage, then we can actually discuss more details what is happening as well with this phone. And meanwhile I'll try to plug the phone charged in as well during this update. So final friends, around 7 minutes and 25 seconds of time, complete installation has been finished with the iOS 15 1.1, as you can clearly see here exactly in this iPhone 12. Right now let me try to open the lock screen. Yep, finally successfully updated to the latest version, as you can see friends. So iOS is up to date in this device finally. So total time it took, I think overall maybe close to 30 minutes of time complete update process may take in the iPhone 12 depending on the internet connection and everything. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick update test on this iPhone 12 device regarding the latest update iOS 15.1.1. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Bye.